Luna, a cheerful bunny with bright, curious eyes and a fluffy white tail, hopped energetically through the forest. Her enthusiasm was infectious as she called out to her friend.
Max, come on! Today's the day we find the rainbow gem.
I've been studying this map all night. The rainbow gem is said to be hidden at the heart of the woods, past the singing stream and through the whispering meadow.
Max explained, pointing at the map with his bushy tail. Luna bounded ahead, her ears perked with excitement.
I can't wait to see what we'll find. I hope we meet some new friends along the way.
She exclaimed.
Hello there.
Luna greeted, her smile wide. Max waved.
We're on a quest to find the rainbow gem. Have you seen anything unusual around here?
A wise old turtle named Elder Shell emerged from the flowers, stopping their journey momentarily.
The path to the rainbow gem is not easy. But remember, only those with true friendship can unlock its power.
Elder Shell advised.
We did it, Max.
Luna cheered, her eyes wide with awe. Max nodded.
Together we can achieve anything. Friendship truly is the greatest treasure of all.
I can't wait to share our adventure with everyone.
Luna said, her voice full of warmth.
And to remind them that with friendship, anything is possible.
Max added, the twinkle in his eyes now one of contentment.